So the next method is round both factors down. So 152.7, if we round it down, so this will become 152. So instead of 153, it will become 152 because we round it down. Next is 31.2, then this will be 31. Then after that, proceed in multiplication. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. Then add 2, 11, carry 1, 7, then 4. So the product of 152.7 times 31.2 using the method round both factors down is 7,000 or 4,712. The fourth method is round both factors up. So if we round this 152.7, then it will become 153. Then 31.2 in the whole number, this will become 32. Again, round both factors up. So after that, then we can proceed in multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. Then next, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, 4, 6, 9, 8, 4. So, the estimate product of 152.7 times 31.2 using round both factors up is 4,896. This is factors up. While in factors down a while ago, we got 4,712. So probably the actual product of 152.7 times 31.2 is in between 4,896 and 4,712. So the fifth method is round one factor up and the other factor down. So 152 round up and 31.2 round down. So if we round up 152.7, it will become 153. Then 31.2 will be 31. So multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5, 15. Carry 1. 3 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Then add 3, 14. Carry 1, 7. Then 4. So the estimate product is 4,743 using round one factor up and the other factor down. Example number 4, Adi bought 9 t-shirts for 182 each in a factory outlet. About how much did he spend altogether for the t-shirt? So in this case, since we're talking about money, so we should round it up or rounding up both factors. So from 182, we can round it in 200. So it means that we round it with the highest place value, which is 1. Next, 9 can be rounded into 10. Then multiply, the answer is 2,000. So this is or Andy spent about 2,000 pesos for the t-shirt. So Andy spent 2,000 pesos for the t-shirt. Example number 5, if unleaded gasoline costs 56.60 per liter, about how much will you pay for 11 liters of unleaded gasoline? So in this, in letter A, we will just round 56.60 in the nearest one. So if you round 56.60 in the nearest one, it will become 57. So 6. Then just copy 11. Then proceed in multiplication. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 5 is 5. So if you add 7 times 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. So the answer is 627 pesos, or it is about 627 pesos. While in letter B, we will round each factor to the nearest 10. So 56.6, if you will round it in the nearest 10, it will become 60. Then 11, if you round it to the nearest 10, it will become 10. So multiply 0, 0, then copy 6. The answer is 600. So both estimates are reasonable because the actual product, if we multiply 56.6 to 11, the answer is 622.60. So you can notice that both estimates are close enough to the actual product, but letter B is easier to use than letter A, or the method B is easier to use than method A. For your activity, answer practice A and B on page 190. Write your solution and answer on a sheet of paper. Take a photo of your answers. Send it via private message. Deadline December 1.